So far you have seen how to set up Python environment and how to write the first Python program, and then you have seen how to execute the first Python program. In this video I will discuss how to run the Python program by using the terminal. You have already seen how to run the Python program by using the VS Code IDE. Now we will see how to run the Python program by using the terminal or a command prompt. In my case, I am using a terminal. Here I am going to the VS Code. You can open this terminal, or you can go to this particular location and you can use the same command which I am using it here. Let's write Python 3, followed by that we have to specify the path where exactly we have the Python file. So in our case, Python file is present under the chapter 1. Let's write chapter 1 /01 hello.py. So by using this simple command, you can run the Python programs using terminal or a command prompt. Let's press enter, and if you see here, our Python program got executed and we are able to print the given text.